now?
We are taking the honey supers off of all of these hives. But on one of these hives, we're checking and seeing if it's queenless or not.
This particular hive, hold that.
This hive right here.
Hold the white thing down in.
Okay.
With your fingers. Hold it.
It's sticking pretty good.
Move your fingers.
Just let me video, Mom. No, Mom's getting a good video.
Alright, pull that off.
Mom, don't
Pull it off.
even
It's got
put
bees
it
all
off.
over it. Do you want me to do it, Tommy?
I can't pull it off.
They're-
Put
Oh.
the camera down.
Give it to me.
There you go.
Be careful, bub.
I'm fine. Dad, put the camera down or give it to me.
Now,
This
what
is-
is that, Ian?
It's completely full.
This is, what is this again?
It keeps the queen out.
It keeps the queen out of the honey super, so no eggs are laid in.
It's called the queen
honey.
excluder.
It's called the queen excluder. Right now, this hive is full of honey.
Alright, that's honey.
I'm setting this right here.
We don't need that here anymore.
Whoa. This is,
Alright, what I'm going to do is break the hive in half now. I need to look if they're going to groove. This top doesn't look too...
promising. Yeah, but this is a honey super.
Let's see what we got
Is
here.
it the honey super?
No. It'll be a breed chamber.
Where's the honey super?
Over in here.
You want to hold up one of those frames for me so I can show the kids at school what a...
I will. Mama, I want to hold the video. Riley, you can't get any closer. They're... Oh, wow.
Woo!
That's all honey.
Ooh.
Go set that on that honey box.
All right, do you want to display what's going on here, Tommy?
This is just all honey. That's it.
Bring me in, Grandpa Honey.
Let's see much.
We will, buddy.
Not looking good.
Look at this. My hands are
Let's do the
literally...
video on a different hive, honey. Okay? This hive here, I want to look for a queen. That's my main job.
Okay.
There's a drone right there.
Here,
Lots
point out
of
the
drones.
drones for me.
There are tons
There
and tons
is
of
a
drones.
drone right here. Oops.
Okay, we're going to close this video out. You got anything to say, Ian?
We will be back with the other hives after we're done with this one.
Flint Hills Honey.
Flint
over
Hills
and out.
honey over and out.